Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change my eyes only passcode on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. When you are on the home screen, you have to swipe up. Now tap on My Eyes Only. Now if you don't remember your passcode or you want to change your passcode, you have to tap on Options on bottom right corner. You can change your passcode in both ways. I will show you both of them. First, let's continue with Forgot Passcode. Now you have to enter your Snapchat account's password. Now create your passcode. Then type in your passcode again. Now tap on the I understand circle and then tap continue. And your passcode will be changed. Now let me show you the other way to change your My Eyes Only passcode. Tap on change passcode. Now you have to enter your current passcode. Then create your new passcode. Enter your new passcode again. Tap on I understand circle and then tap on continue. Now tap on finish. And that's how you can change your My Eyes Only passcode on Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.